there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren. This is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're bringing the world to your table with a sweet take on bananas.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making a sweet caramel cinnamon baked banana.
Yeah, so let's get started with our bananas.
Yep, so what we have here, we have 4 unripe, so green bananas. They've been already peeled, and I'm just going to go ahead and start slicing them into 1/4-inch rounds.
So the reason we're using green bananas is because green bananas are a little bit starchier, they're a little bit less sweet, which is really what we're looking for in this recipe. You could also use something called plantains. So plantains look very similar to bananas. They're actually just a little bit larger. And plantains are different than bananas in that they're less sweet, they're starchier. So a lot of times they're found in different savory dishes, but they're also found in sweet dishes when the plantains are actually black. That means that they're really ripe and they're a little bit sweeter.
Yes.
So plantains are found all over the world. They're found in Asia, Africa.
Central and South America, so they really are found all over the world, and they're such a great and interesting ingredient. But if you're looking for something a little more familiar, these bananas are perfect.
And it's a great recipe to utilize green bananas because a lot of times you get a green banana and you're like, oh, I can't really eat this. But it's definitely a recipe that's perfect for those little bit less sweet bananas.
Yes.
So now we have our sliced bananas or plantains. If you're using plantains, we're going to add in our other ingredients to sweeten them up a little bit. So we're using coconut oil.
And we're using this coconut oil. It is found in our natural department. It is solid at room temperature, so you'll just want to heat it up a little bit in the microwave so that you can easily drizzle it over your bananas or plantains.
Yes, it helps provide a really nice coconutty flavor. Yes. On the same lines, we're using coconut sugar, which is kind of a different ingredient as well.
Yes, it's actually an unrefined sugar that is made from the sap from the cut buds of a coconut palm, and it is similar to brown sugar, but it's unrefined and it is less sweet.
Yes, so a lower glycemic index, if you're familiar with that term. But yes, a little bit less sweet, but has a lot of other really good flavors, more like a brown sugar. So definitely something to try. If you're interested, you can find both these ingredients in our natural organic department at Festival. But otherwise, just a regular canola oil would be fine, as well as just a typical brown sugar would work well too, if you don't have these ingredients. Then we're going to add in some cinnamon, give it a really nice cinnamony flavor. Last but not least, we've just got a little bit of sea salt. We're just going to mix that up. So just a really simple ingredients, just a couple of them.
And now we're going to put it onto our prepared baking sheet. It's just lined with parchment paper to help make cleanup a little bit easier. These get a little sticky, so we want to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. It makes cleanup a little easier.
Yeah, so we're going to end up baking these in the oven. We've got our oven preheating to 350. We're going to bake them for 15 minutes. Then we're going to take them out. We're going to flip them over and let them bake for an additional 10 minutes. And the reason we're baking them is it's just a little bit healthier technique, if you will, cooking technique versus frying them, which when you fry something, it absorbs more of that oil. So by baking them, we're going to reduce that a little bit and have to use less oil, which is better too. Perfect. So I'm going to pop these in the oven, grab our done ones.
And we are so excited for 2018 because we're bringing the world to your table. We're introducing new flavors and cooking techniques and ingredients to start making new recipes that will appeal to a wide variety of palates while still being really simple to make.
Yeah, so we've got a lot of really great recipes we're excited to share, and just something a little bit different for 2018.
Yep.
Right. So we have our
delicious
baked plantains. As you can see, they've kind of shrunk up a little bit, but they're still going to be pretty soft, and there's so many different ways to serve these, which we love.
Yes, we love them plain. When we tried them last time, we had them on top of ice cream. That was a really nice sweet treat.
Yes.
They're great on top of oatmeal, yogurt, so really whatever you can think of.
Yep, pancakes, waffles, anything for breakfast.
Breakfast, dessert, or snack.
Yeah, and maybe a good way to get your kids to eat bananas or add some fruit to their breakfast. So
yeah, these are super, super, super good. And they're so easy.
Yes, so we're just going to dig right in here and have one.
I love them.
All the flavors just go together really well. So if you are looking to do something different, I encourage you to try these new flavors. But either way, these are definitely going to be a hit.
Yes.
So we hope you give these sweet take on bananas or plantains a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.